How many of you here want to become successful doctors, scientists, engineers and professionals? I'm very sure all of you would have played with toys, stethoscopes, medical kits, building blocks, etc. But now it's time to come out of your fairy tale world and relish your dreams as real-life doctors, engineers, scientists and professionals. The biggest challenge to live your dreams is the entrance examination nationwide. So these entrance examination evaluate students based on their basic conceptual knowledge. So to be a student successful or outstanding in the basic conceptual knowledge would be the first step towards your success. To achieve your first success, best platform would be the Venper Academy. Yes, we at Venper Academy are here to help you. The foundation course at Venper Academy would be perfect for your best successful career life. So it is not just an entrance exam coaching, but we also help you improve the high order thinking skills, reasoning skills, application skills, IQ skills. So all these would be a boon to score well at the present school level as well. How many of you here can tell me the correct derivation of F is equal to ma, F for force, m for mass and a for acceleration? How many of you can classify or tell me why some substances are acidic and some are basic? Can you tell me the exact pH of small intestine? I am very sure all of you are almost near the answer, but few distance away from the exact answer, right? Learning can be interesting. It can be made interesting either by teachers, friends or so many things around. But learning can become really very interesting when you understand the concepts. So here at Venper Academy, we train you to the best. The foundation course at Venper Academy, here we coach you for 2 examinations, which is NTSC and KVPY. NTSC, the abbreviation stands for National Wide Talent Search Examination, which is a scholarship program aided by the NCERT at their secondary school level to pick up highly intellectual candidates, and it will be a head start for the IIT JEE examination. KVPY, Kishore Vaiknath Protsahan Yojana, is also a scholarship program funded by the Department of Science, Government of India. So it is to select students who are highly interested in the field of science and research. So boys and girls, I hope to see you all on board with the Venper family, and let's inspire the aspiring world of science. All the best for all your future endeavor.